Good morning. Today I, Gaurav Akheri of B.Ed Batch 2224 of Army Institute of Education is here to discuss a timeless literary masterpiece that has touched the hearts of millions, To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee. This profound novel explores themes of justice, prejudice, and the loss of innocence, as seen through the eyes of a young girl named Scout Finch. Set in the 1930s in the fictional town of Macomb, Alabama, To Kill a Mockingbird takes us on a poignant journey that challenges societal norms and exposes the deep-rooted prejudice within our society. The story centers around the trial of Tom Robinson, a black man unjustly accused of raping a white woman. Through this trial, Harper Lee confronts us with the harsh reality of racial inequality and the failure of the justice system to provide true justice. One of the most remarkable aspects of this novel is its narration by the Sky, a young girl who acts as a guide through the narrative. Her innocence and curiosity allow us to witness the unfolding events without the burden of preconceived notions. As Scout matures, she starts to grasp complexities of her town's prejudices, and we, as readers, are forced to confront our own biases and prejudices. Atticus Finch, Scout's father, emerges as the moral compass of the novel. He is a courageous and principled man who defends Tom Robinson despite the overwhelming odds stacked against them. Atticus embodies the values of empathy, integrity, and the belief in the inherent goodness of humanity. He teaches Scout and her brother Jem the importance of standing up for what is right, even in the face of adversity. The character of Boo Bradley adds another layer of depth to the narrative. Initially portrayed as a mysterious and reclusive figure, Boo eventually becomes a symbol of compassion and the consequences of prejudice. Through Boo, Harper Lee challenges the notion of judging others based on appearances, reminding us that empathy and understanding are essential in building a just society. To Kill a Mockingbird also explores the theme of coming of age as Scout and Jem navigate their childhood. They encounter various experiences that shape their understanding of the world through their encounters with racism, inequality, and justice. They lose their innocence but gain invaluable lessons about empathy and the importance of fighting for equality. Harper Lee's powerful prose and vivid descriptions bring the town of Macomb to life, making it almost a character in itself. She paints a picture of a community deeply divided along racial lines, struggling to confront its own prejudices. However, amidst the darkness, she weaves moments of hope, compassion, and reminds us of the inherent goodness and exist in the humanity. In conclusion, To Kill a Mockingbird is a masterpiece that continues to resonate with readers of all generations. It challenges us to examine our own biases, confront the harsh realities of prejudice, and strive for a more just and empathetic society. Through Scout's eyes, we witness the loss of innocence and the power of compassion. This novel serves as a poignant reminder that the fight for justice and equality requires the courage to challenge societal norms and determination to stand up for what is right. Thank you.